हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम अरशद है और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप अपने डीमैट अकाउंट में पैसे कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा।
Step 1. Open the app. First, open the Groww app on your mobile and log in with your registered mobile or email. Step 2. Go to Add Money option. On the home screen, you will see the option to add money. Tap on it to continue. Step 3. Enter amount. Now, enter the amount you want to add. For beginners, you can even start with 1000 rupees. Groww allows small investments, which makes it very beginner friendly. Step 4. Choose payment method. You can add money using OP, net banking, or wallet. Select your preferred option. Most people use OP as it's quick and simple. Step 5. Confirm payment. After selecting the method, confirm the payment. Complete the transaction through your bank app or OP app. The money will be instantly added to your Groww balance.
Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and I am not a financial advisor. Please invest at your own risk.